Welcome everybody. You are at the booth F5007 at the battery show in Stuttgart. Welcome to Sogefi booth, where you're gonna see all the new cutting-edge solution for thermal management. Come and follow us. You're gonna find a new area with plastic casing for battery housing and battery application with hybrid cooling system and laser welding. The most famous one, laser welding cooling plate, is our own patent for the process, which is lightweight and a very small carbon footprint compared to the other technology. A lot of thermal management modules for EVs application. Of course, face-to-face cooler between the cells with a full plastic solution where we're gonna have a good thermal performances comparing to aluminum. Hybrid cooling stripes face-to-face cooler where you're gonna find our hybrid bonding system, aluminum with plastic without any glue, screws or gaskets. And the last one, the thin face-to-face cooler out of the laser welding, which is very useful, nice, and lightweight. You can see that. It's nice. And at the end, the summary of all the application where you have all the face-to-face cooler technologies, full aluminum, hybrid with inlet outlet here, face-to-face cooler for prismatic cells, and full plastic cooling stripes. Of course, other technical bricks with cell holder system out of plastic. So if you are interested, please come and follow us on sogefiaircooling.com and our LinkedIn. Thank you, have a nice day, see you soon.